This morning now here I been see the work. I just workshop belonging to engineer Emmanuel. Location Makurdi. Very good in what he does, and this is one of his boy. He's very talented boy, doing what he knows best. Part of what he has on ground here. These are doors. These are high quality gates, and in case of power outage, he has a very good standby generator. So in case you are in need of doors, window burglaries, and so on and so forth, you just contact him and you get the best. These are his tools, which he uses for working. Very reliable source. For quality materials today, for quality burglaries and doors, you visit him at Makurdi. So this is his contact in case you wish to call him for doors, burglaries, and so on. You call his number. This is the number showing on the screen. This is an example of a gate that he has. A very nice gate which he has. So you can reach out to him by the number I just showed you, which is still available here. A very nice door indeed, right? So ensure to patronize him today. Don't forget the number showing on your screen previously. Make sure you call the number for you to get him. And like I said, his location is Makurdi. So when you call him, he'll know his direct workshop, where his workshop is in Makurdi. He's a first-class welder. This is just his boy, just like I told you, and his boy is doing excellently well. So ensure to reach out to him, okay? Thank you. I remain AK Shady, and this is just a little arrangement I put up here, and make sure you get to reach him wherever you are within Nigeria or within Makurdi, within Benue State. Make sure you reach out so that you get the best for your home. The comfort that you wish to have is going to give it to you.